Hello, welcome to another Learning Beyond Limits lesson. Let's talk about probability and probability tree today. Here's a question. There are 5 white and 3 yellow balls in a jar. A ball is taken out and not replaced. Then another ball is taken out. What is the probability of choosing at least one white ball? What is the probability of choosing only one yellow ball? So we notice from our question that we have two draws taking place. The first draw is that a ball is taken out, but then it was not replaced. The second draw is that a ball is taken out or another ball is taken out. Let's look at the first draw. In the first draw, we have a probability of two outcomes. We could get a white ball, and the probability of getting a white ball would be 5 out of 8. 5 white balls out of a total of 8 balls. We could also draw a yellow ball, and the probability of drawing a yellow ball is 3 yellow out of a total of 8 balls. That's our first draw. Our second draw, we could have in our jar any of these two possible outcomes. We could have a jar with 4 white and 3 yellow, or 5 white and 2 yellow. Because if we had drawn a white ball first, then that means we would have one less white ball in our jar. But if we had drawn a yellow ball first, we would have one yellow ball in our jar. Let's look at our second draw. If our first selection was a white ball, then we're using this jar up here. When we draw from that, we have two possible outcomes as well. We could draw a white or yellow still. So if we draw a white ball on our second draw, the probability of that happening is 4 out of 7 because we have 4 white balls and 7 balls in total. We could draw a yellow ball, and the probability of that happening would be 3 out of 7 because we have 3 yellow balls and 7 in total. If we had drawn a yellow ball to begin with, then we would have a possibility of drawing a white ball in the second draw. And so the probability of that happening would be 5 out of 7, 5 white balls and 7 balls in total. We could also have drawn a yellow on our second draw. And to do that, the probability would be 2, because we have 2 yellow balls out of a total of 7 balls. Here's our outcomes. We could have drawn a white and then another white ball. We could have drawn a white, then a yellow ball. And so if we had gone a white ball, then a white ball, that would be our probability. 5 eighths times 4 sevenths is equal to 20 over 56. Now we could have gone and drawn a white ball and then drawn a yellow ball. If we had drawn a white ball and then a yellow ball, our outcome would be 5 eighths times 3 sevenths. And our answer would be 15 over 56. If we had drawn a yellow ball first, then we would have gone to do a yellow, then a white. A yellow and a white would give us an outcome of 3 eighths times 5 7, and that would give us 15 over 56. We could have gone and drawn a yellow and then a yellow, and that would give us 3 eighths times 2 7, and 3 eighths times 2 7, that would give us 6 over 56. The question asks us, what is the probability of choosing at least one white ball? At least one white ball would be this option, and this option. So we would have 20 over 56 plus 15 over 56 plus 15 over 56, and when we add those all up, our probability of drawing at least one white ball would be 50 over 56. The question also asks us what's the probability of choosing only one yellow ball. Well, the probability of choosing one yellow ball only would be either a white and a yellow or a yellow and a white. And so we would have 15 over 56 plus 15 over 56. And when we add those up, the probability of choosing only a yellow ball would be 30 over 56.